In this video, I am going to write a C program to check a year is a leap year or not. So what is a leap year? First question arises. One extra day in a year means 366 day in a year known as a leap year. Condition for a leap year. Year must be divisible by 4. It means that the year must be divided by 4 completely, leaving without no remainder. And year must be divisible by 400 and not divisible by 100. So I am going to check these condition in a function. Let's go. So first we have included the header file in our function. Then we are going to make a function name int check leap year or its parameter in it also in int type year. Then we will write the definition for this function we have defined. Here we are going to check both the condition we have described before, that if the year is divisible by 4 and year is divisible by 400 and not divisible by 100, then it going to return a value 1, else it going to return a value -1. Then we are calling it's in the main function and saving its result in a variable int result, and then we are checking for the result. If result returns value 1, then it's going to print a leap year, and else else it going to print a not leap year. So we will check by running the code our. So year is leap year, as we also know that 200 is a leap year. Thank you for this video.